boat races. Is he's going to get the Titanic up to speed? Just turning that thing on this racetrack is enough. I love all the firefighters getting their cameras out. Here we go. Oh, look. Here we go. What's he gonna do? Puts the pedal to the floor. Just testing it out, making sure he gets enough air on it.
I am too.
Bring the Titanic around the cat down the backstretch.
Just keep it on the. As soon as it gets that turn, just turn it to the jump.
Rear wheel drive on that one.
So as soon as it gets right there, just turn it to the jump.
Okay.
Turns it down into turn 3 and 4. Who's ready to see it?